Alright, so what's good, YouTube? It's your man, the son of some man.
Who's my son? Son. Who's my son? 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 Who's my son?
And I'm back with another video. What's up, guys? What's going on? How's everyone doing? Hope all is well. Please do me a favor. Do not forget to subscribe to the channel. Links and everything will be down below. Also, make sure you do me a favor, hit that thumbs up. But anyway, I want to get into the first topic of this video. This past weekend, Virgil passed away, so I just want to say R.I.P. to Virgil. You know, rest in peace. He was definitely changed the game. Definitely brought the game to, you know, levels that I don't think anyone else could do that good of a job that he has done, even if they tried with, you know, their full potential. He was just something else, and obviously he was taken, you know, way too soon, bro. Alright, guys, now we're gonna get straight into the video. I actually got a huge unboxing. As you've seen, we got a few pairs of shoes in. Got some shoes for my kids, got some slides for Linda, and of course we had to get some cool grays for myself. Anyway, let's check out the kids. They got these, the UNC 4s that actually came out this year. They run a little big on them, but it's okay, because obviously they got to grow, and they will grow into them, so that's that. But the shoe I'm really excited about, obviously, is the one that's the one for me. And you know who you are. A huge thank you. I truly appreciate you more than words can express, you know what I mean? But I truly appreciate it. You really looked out. Got two pairs of those, obviously, because we got twin daughters. We got the slides for Lynn. Let's check these out real quick. Some easy slides, you know, regular, nothing crazy. It's actually pretty nice, not for nothing. The bottoms are wicked. Now, for the shoe. Okay, guys. Yes, this shoe is beautiful. It is a beautiful. And you know what it is? It is the Air Jordan 11 Cool Gray. Whoa, now this shoe is so clean, bro. It's really nice. I recommend you pick it up if you can. I believe it drops this weekend. I will be doing a review on this shoe too. I'm probably gonna drop it tomorrow. If you're seeing this video today, I believe it's Thursday. Yeah, I'll be dropping this video tomorrow, the review on the Cool Gray 11s, man. These are so sick. Yo, Jay. I can't really tell you how excited I am, bro. Really dope shoe. Really clean, really dope. But yeah, man, that's the unboxing video for today. We I can't express, you know, how thankful I am for the people that are in my life. I want to thank you so much. But anyway, guys, I want to thank you guys so much for tuning in. I know this video was quick, but I'm going to be doing 2 videos in one day, but I'll be uploading the next day. So look out for that. The Cool Gray 11 review will be dropping tomorrow. So I truly appreciate you guys for tuning in. Stay well. Peace.